Hey guys, David and Henry here. The bathroom is finally done today. The contractors came for the last time and they're done. They're never coming back. And I just want to give you guys a quick tour for our vlog. First and foremost, just a couple maintenance things to get out of the way. You know, our analytics show that only 20% of our viewers are actually subscribed. And so please like and subscribe and smash that like button. That really helps us in the algorithm. We've also set up a Patreon, and so please contribute to that, and any support would be great. Our Patreon followers get special access, special direct videos, get early videos, and also we're sponsored now. We're sponsored by Clash of Clans. You use the promotion code David69. That'll give you 20,000 free points, and you can get some free skins. And Clash of Clans is a great game, and so that's our sponsor. On with the tour. Okay, so here we go. Allison swapped out these gold knobs for silver knobs. She did that all herself. So this is our bathroom. As you can see, green is our theme. This shower is ginormous. The spa tub used to be here. The spa tub was never used. It was probably used 0.5 times in the 28 years of its existence. And so that had to go. We were thinking about putting the claw tub in, but honestly, the claw tub would have been used 0 times in the next 28 years too. And so this got converted to a giant luxurious shower. And we love that decision. A little bit about the materials. So the floor you see here is marble. This is natural stone. We sealed it ourselves and completely screwed it up. And we put too much sealant and didn't wipe it off. And so my mom had to take over and fix up our screw up and took the whole day wiping the excess sealant off. But marble requires a lot of maintenance. This floor, we'll give you some cost figures for you. This floor is about, I think it's about $9,000 floor. Here is where our old shower used to be. It's now a plant. It's now just a random nook. We're going to put some sort of curio here. Allison's still working on picking out the right piece. So this is TBD right here, but it's going to be some sort of towel holder curio set up. Here is our closet. This is where our toiletries go. As you can see, we've moved in a couple toiletries, and this is a new wallpaper we put in. It used to be all white, but this is a floral wallpaper we really loved, and it really adds to the theme of the bathroom. Here's the bathroom here. I'll open it up for you. Giant glass doors. This material here, the trim is quartz, and on the seat too. And we have a little nook where there is a little light up, and you can control the lights. We'll put our shampoo there. I don't know why we actually need continuously dimmable lights to illuminate our shampoo, but we have that, and so it's great. The material here, the green tile, is porcelain, and the floor is porcelain as well. We decided to use porcelain in the shower because it's much more resistant than marble. I'm an expert and I wouldn't recommend marble in the shower. The fixtures are, they are Brizo brand, I believe, which is the high-end luxury line of, I don't remember, of Moen maybe? Yeah. Anyways, so that's our shower. A little bit about the window. So we are originally going to put some frosted film over the window, but our view is so great that we decided not to do that. We are now looking at options for a electronic toggleable frosting that turns on and off of a switch. So we're not sure if that's feasible, but we're looking into it. And so the window is still TBD. This is our vanity. A little bit about the materials. The vanity is custom cherry. It originally cost about $15,000. But they measured wrong and gave us 2 extra pieces, which didn't fit, and they refunded us. So the cost of this cherry vanity was about $9,000 at the end of the day. We have 2 mirrors. We went with contemporary style mirrors. They have little switches here that turn on and off, as you can see here. And these mirrors each were, I think, about $1,000 each. And this countertop is quartz. Quartz is the theme of the countertop. So you can see quartz here, you can see quartz here on this nook, and then quartz is trimmed along the shower, on the step into the shower, and on the windowsill there. And you'll see pretty soon that quartz is also the theme in our closet. Here is the towel warmer. That was recommended to us by the Boners, and we bought that, and now that our bathroom is set up, that's going to be a lovely addition. As you can see here with the vanity, there is some soft close drawers, and it's all great. Let me move here to, I guess you would call this toilet room. I don't know what else you would call it. But we put in a electronic Toto seat. It automatically opens and sanitizes. The seat can be heated and cooled, and there is a removable remote that comes out the wall here. As you can see, there's I guess a men's butt rinse, a women's a women's rinse right here, a drying functionality. I don't know what these 15 buttons do, and I don't know what these 30 buttons do either, but it's very programmable and very fancy. And as you can see, it kind of just opens itself and closes itself when you walk in and leave. Here is our closet. The carpet is original, and these all are, what you see on the wall are all new. This material, nothing fancy about this material. This is particle board. We decided not to go too fancy in our closet, as it's just us in the closet. And then we had these rods were originally up here, but we had them moved down here. This central island did not used to be here. We had this installed ourselves, and we love it. Allison picked out these handles from Menards, and we think they really fit well. And this is the same quartz countertop that you see in the covering the vanity and on the shower. You also have quartz countertop trimmed in this area of the closet, as well as this area behind us. As you can see, there are plenty of spaces for shoes for my Air Forces, and if you turn around, there's plenty of space for Allison's shoes as well. This wallpaper is custom, and we picked that out. We had it imported from England. But before that, it was just white wallpaper. I myself replaced the outlets with that fancy little outlet trim. I bought that from Menards. The plate was very expensive. It was about $6 from Menards. Much more than 50 cents for the basic white outlet. And you can see the light switches too are a little bit fancy. These are about $6 as well from Menards. And so no expense was spared. I will say that we did forget to replace one power outlet here, which is very regrettable. But I will handle that later. I would say the total cost of the quartz countertop for the vanity, the closet island, and the trim around the shower, that came to about $10,000. That was actually the most expensive part of the bathroom. So the quartz countertop was $10,000, the cherry vanity was about $9,000, and the floor was about $8,000.
The cherry vanity again was originally 15, but they gave us 2 extra pieces because they measured wrong and they refunded us. Finally, and probably my favorite part of the bathroom, I want to take your attention to the ceiling here. And we have a lovely blown glass chandelier that we imported from Italy, from Venice actually. This is hand blown glass from a place called Sagni di Cristallo. This came in about 50 different pieces and put it together, and Allison added the little plate trim on the top there. It's absolutely gorgeous, and we love it. And if you look in the main bathroom here, there's actually a bigger version of the same model. What we saw in the closet was a 3-light model. This is a 6-light model, and Allison also added a custom plate at the top there for the mounting. If you look, the base of the chandelier is actually blue. They sent us the wrong color for that. Allison got very, butthurt about this. I personally like it. I think there's a flare color here that's excellent. But nevertheless, she complained, and they're blowing a new piece for us and sending us that ASAP. But since they have to remake it ASAP, to them it's like a 2-month process. But I feel like the chandeliers really put the bathrooms together, and I love it. So that's about it. That concludes our tour. Actually, we have some silver fixtures as well that are Grezzo, which is a high-end line of, it's not known, Fisher maybe? I don't know. I forget the brand. But whatever. But that concludes our tour. I know that went a little long, but if you made it this far in the video, thank you, and leave some comments and tell us what you think, and I'll read them all and respond to them. Thank you again for supporting the channel. Again, smash that like button and subscribe. We appreciate your support. Thank you.